Hello. So the concept that I decided to research for this module was Rett syndrome, which is similar in some aspects to autism spectrum disorder. For my research, I conducted a Google search of the term Rett syndrome, and I found an article published on the National Institution of Neurological Disorders and Stroke. Here I discovered that Rett syndrome is a neurodevelopmental disorder that's caused by a mutation in the methyl CpG binding to protein. Rett syndrome is going to typically occur spontaneously, or that mutation is at least, so it's not something that's necessarily inherited and passed down to future generations. And Rett syndrome is interesting as it's mainly found only in females. Basically, what Rett syndrome is it's a neurodevelopmental disorder that begins or is characterized by normal growth and development, and then followed by a recession of growth and development. So about the first 6 months, an infant will have normal growth, but then once they hit 6 to 18 months, there's going to be small signs of delayed development are going to begin to occur that aren't super noticeable. However, at ages 1 to 4, there's going to be more noticeable signs such as loss of hand motion as well as the spoken language. And then from ages 2 to 10, there's going to be a lot of motor function loss and disability as well as many strokes. That's kind of something that's characterized during this stage. And currently there is no cure for Rett syndrome. I find it interesting that Rett syndrome is categorized as having that small period of normal growth and development followed by delayed growth and development from then on. I've never heard of a disorder like that. There's so many disorders out there. It's kind of crazy. Like, I didn't even know Rett syndrome was a disorder until I saw it in the textbook. It makes me sad that there isn't currently a cure right now, but I'm interested to see what more we find on this with further research as well as more scientific development and technological advances.